Talking sunshine on your skin, like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide, still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried.
What's up, beautiful babes? Right about now, I'm having me a little puberty. Yes, indeed. I talked about puberty. I'll link it up in the iCards, and I'll also link it down in the description box. Hopefully, I remember. But right about now, can I ask you a question? Are you dealing with blackheads? I've had so many people ask about what can I do for these blackheads? And y'all, I do get them around my nose. This is what I use for my nose area. And another spot is right here between the bottom lip and the chin. Have you ever experienced that? Well, I got something good for you that I'm going to share with you. An easy little scrub just for the blackheads. And it'll also help to tighten up the pores. Yes, that's going to help blackheads stay away. So we're going to whip it up. I'm going to show you how to apply it and use it and how often to use. Let's get to it right now. And in case I didn't say, welcome to the new folks. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome in. Please join the Beautiful Babe Brigade simply by subscribing to the channel. That's all you have to do. If you want to be notified when I drop some good videos for you, please turn on your bell notification and you'll be in the know each and every time. Let's get to today's video.
All right, beautiful babes, if you've been struggling with blackheads on your nose, chin, or around your pores, today I'm sharing a simple DIY treatment you can make right at home using 2 ingredients. Now listen, this treatment is super affordable, easy to make, and it helps exfoliate away dead skin while giving your pores a deep clean. Let's get into it. Now, what you'll need is a bowl, of course, and a spoon. We're taking 1 teaspoon of fine salt. And then we're taking 1 teaspoon of fresh lime juice. If you have sensitive skin, you can also add a few drops of honey. Now, in this bowl, just mix the salt and lime juice together until it forms a paste-like texture. Now, in order to apply it, start with a clean face. Just gently apply this mixture to areas with blackheads, especially the nose and chin. Now, I'm using a cotton round. I simply use this to apply it, and I use light circular motions for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Do not scrub aggressively because we don't want to irritate the skin. Now leave it on for about 5 minutes maximum. Then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. I always follow up with a gentle moisturizer because salt and lime can be drying. Now the benefits of this, it helps to exfoliate dead skin, may help loosen dirt and oil trapped in your pores. It leaves your skin feeling smoother, and it helps refresh dull-looking skin. You can use this 1 to 2 times per week. That's all I recommend, just 1 to 2 times per week. Now, beautiful babes, lime juice can make your skin sensitive to sunlight, so always wear sunscreen afterward and avoid direct sun exposure right after using this treatment. And remember, if you have sensitive skin, eczema, open acne, or cuts, skip this treatment or consult a skincare professional first. Now, if you enjoyed this video, let me know.
All right, beautiful babes, that's it. That's all for today. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me. I am certainly glad you found my channel if you're new here. And if you are new and you have not subscribed, please consider doing that before you exit this video. Because listen, I tell you what, you don't want to lose this chick because I know I got something for you. So please make sure you drop a like on the video. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications. That's the way you keep up with me. Absolutely. And please don't keep me a secret. Tell everybody where you're hanging out at right here at Beauty by Sweet Angel. So please share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Lifting each other higher. Steam on the windows so long.